Hey everyone, so welcome back to another tutorial, and today I will show you how to use coupon codes in WooCommerce. And this is the fourth video of the WooCommerce tutorial series that I have created, and the playlist link will be in the description. So if you have not watched the first three videos and you are a WooCommerce beginner, I would highly recommend you to go check out those videos. They are really useful. So let's get back to today's topic. And first thing you have to do is obviously log into your WordPress dashboard, and from here go to WooCommerce on the left sidebar and then go to settings and scroll down and make sure this coupon option is enabled. This enable coupon options, make sure that it is ticked, and if it is not, tick it and save changes. And if you want your users to be able to use multiple coupons, then tick this option also. But I don't want users, I think most site owners would not really like people to be able to use multiple coupons. But if you want, you can tick this option and save changes. Okay, and then okay, now to use coupons, let's go to from your new coupon. So now we will create a coupon code. First thing you have to do is what will be the coupon code. Okay, for example, let's say I have just created a new store, so to new buyers I want to give them discount on their first order. So let's say I create a code first order. Okay, and let's say for first order I am giving them a 30% discount. Okay, and so in the description I will write congrats, 30% discount has been applied to your order. Okay, like this. And from here in the general, we can change it like what kind of coupon code it will be. Fixed basket discount, fixed product discount, or percentage discount. So since we are giving 30% discount on using this coupon code, so we will select percentage coupon. Okay, and coupon amount, okay, value of the coupon, we have to select it 30. Okay, and allow free shipping. So if this coupon code grants free shipping, so we can select this. But let's say we are just giving 30% discount on this. So, and we can also select the coupon code expiry date. So for example, I created a store today, and I want this coupon to be valid till 2 months from now. So I will select the expiry date and then go to usage restriction, and this will be the minimum spend. So let's say this coupon code will only work if the minimum order value is let's say $20. Okay, $20. And the maximum spend limit, if you want the coupon code to be not valid if the order goes below above a certain limit, let's say $2,000. If someone place orders more of value more than $2,000, this coupon code will not work. Okay, but I think you can customize it, okay, like this. And this is the third second is individual use only. So if you want your users to be able to use only this coupon code with and not be able to use another coupon code with this, like a combination, so take this box. Okay, so the users will only be able to get maximum 30% discount and not include another coupon code. And the next option is exclude sales items. So if you select this, then you can put details here, like if you enable this, and then you can select which products you want to exclude from this sale discount. For example, if something is already on sale, let's visit our store. Okay, sorry, exclude sales item, it means yeah, So let's say we created this to 3 products, and these 2 products are on sale. So if we select this option, exclude sales items, this coupon code will not, first order coupon code will not work on this item. Okay, so if something is already on sale, this will not work. But I will untick it, and then from here you can select on which products it will be this coupon code will be valid. For example, we can select Nike shoe. Okay, for example, so and you can select multiple products and another. Okay, so now this coupon code will only work with these 2 products. And if you want to exclude some product, let's say we have a book. Okay, so we can make that so now this coupon code will not work on this order recipe book. And similarly you can do with the product categories. You can either include them or exclude them. And the last option is allowed emails. So for example, if you created a coupon code for only some selected winners, let's say you had some contest going on your social media page, and now you want to create an exclusive code for certain users only who have who managed to win in the contest, or who qualified for the contest, whatever. And so you can get their emails and put their emails here. Okay, right now it's no restriction, that is anyone can apply this code. But let's say if you put some emails here, so only those users who have that email in their account, only they will be able to use this coupon code. So you can use it like that. Then the last option is usage limits. So let's say we want this coupon code to be maximum used for 100 times. Okay, after 100 users have used this coupon code will not work anymore, it will expire automatically. And limit usage to X items, and again you can exclude. Currently it is applied to all items, and if you want, it can be limited to some items. And then usage limit per user, that is obviously this is coupon code for the first order, so we want each buyer to be able to use it only 1 times. And if it is like a different code, you can put here 2-3 times, so each buyer would be able to use it that many times. So then publish it. Okay, now this coupon code should work. Okay, let's say let's visit our cart, and this will give us a fixed 30% discount. Let's check. And you can see a coupon code applied successfully, and the coupon code is first order, and this is, you can see 30% has been deducted from the total price, and that's pretty much how it works. And so let's create another coupon code. For example, again go to new, from here coupon, whatever. Let's say we created a fixed percentage price coupon code. Now we can create a fixed amount coupon code or a free shipping coupon code. Let's say free shipping, free ship. Okay, you will get the description. Let's put, you will get free shipping. Okay, and okay, you can edit whatever the description is, like congrats, you are qualified for free shipping, make it sound a little better. And the discount type is fixed. Let's say fixed basket. Let's not edit this option, just take this option, take this box, this grants free shipping, and it must be enabled and so on. And then you can select the expiry date again, usage restriction. In the usage restriction, I would like to put let's say if the order value is $100 minimum, and then only this coupon code will be valid. Okay, so and it cannot be used with other coupon codes, or I will allow this with 30. So if a user already got 30% discount but their order is more than $100 value, then they will be able to also use this multiple coupon code. But since okay, so that's how it will work. But the first coupon code we created, we selected that with this coupon code no other coupon code can be used. So I will show you in another coupon code. Let's take this option and let's leave all this option. We want just a minimum spend value restriction, and then usage limit. Well, let's not say set the usage limit. Then publish it. Okay, so now anyone who will use this coupon code will get free shipping. And you can use another coupon code like you can here select fixed basket discount, fixed product discount, like 10 off. Okay, 10% off on order. Okay, so the free bar in the fixed basket discount and the 10% off, like $10 off. So put here 10, and now if you use this coupon code, let's say usage restriction is minimum order value should be 50, and let's not put a maximum value, we'll not use it. Usage limit, it can be used 100 times. A single user can use it 3 times, and publish it. Okay, and also let's allow, though we have not set the address, let's see if it can be used. So if I take this option, then we will be able to use it with the free ship coupon code too. So now let's try it. Let's remove this code, and the code 10 off. Okay, the order the coupon code has been applied. Let's apply another coupon code, free ship, and this coupon code has also been successfully applied. Okay, okay, because we have not set the free shipping thing, so it is probably not working. But this is how this WooCommerce coupon code system works, and I hope you found this tutorial useful. So if you have any questions or anything, do ask in the comments, and I hope you found this video useful, and please leave a like, and I will see you in the next video. And another important thing, if you are looking for a new hosting, do check out the link in the description, and for multiple budget hostings or hosting for your e-commerce site in budget. So I will see you in the next video.